Hello, welcome to Flick's Water YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain what descaling means in the context of a Keurig coffee maker. If you've ever wondered why and how to decale your Keurig, you've come to the right place. We'll break it down and show you why this maintenance task is crucial for your coffee maker's performance. Before we start, can you please click the subscribe button below? We really need your support to develop this channel and publish more and more videos. Just one click on the subscribe button, you are helping us and we really appreciate it. Again, we really need your help. Please click on the subscribe button below. Thank you. Descaling a Keurig, or any coffee maker for that matter, is the process of cleaning the internal components of the machine to remove mineral deposits and buildup that accumulate over time. This buildup primarily consists of minerals like calcium and magnesium, which are naturally present in the water you use to brew your coffee or other beverages. Here's a simple explanation of descaling a Keurig. Imagine your Keurig coffee maker as a kind of plumbing system for your coffee. When you brew a cup, water flows through pipes and heats up to make your coffee. However, the water you use isn't pure, it contains tiny minerals. Over time, these minerals can stick to the inside of the pipes and heating elements. Like scale in a kettle, descaling is like giving your Keurig a deep clean. You use a special solution, descaling solution or a mixture of vinegar and water, to break down and dissolve these mineral deposits. It's a bit like using a cleaning agent for your coffee maker's plumbing. By doing this, you prevent clogs, keep the water flowing smoothly, maintain the right brewing temperature, and ensure your coffee tastes as good as it should. Descaling is a bit like giving your coffee maker a spa day to keep it working its best and to ensure your coffee always tastes delicious. It's an essential part of coffee maker maintenance. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for next topics or click to see the next videos on the right.